Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 2004, the first in a series of 2-day touring shows called Muppets, Music, and Magic, Jim Henson's Legacy, took place at the Brooklyn Academy of Music. The programs included Muppet film and television screenings, clips from the archives, educational workshops, and guest speakers who were often Muppet performers. The show toured around the US, Scotland, and Australia through 2015, often to standing room only crowds. Did you see it? Do you remember it? I sure would like to. Oh well, maybe they'll bring it back another time. I don't know. Anyway, have a magical day.